Anyways, I have so many packages to unbox and film, and it's from the store, and I specifically bought them obviously for the photo cards, but I don't even remember what they look like. Is this the one with the freaking hand mirror? I forgot what I bought. I remember buying the hand mirror one. I bought an OT8 Digipack one. It is the mirrors. The photo cards. And then the 2 mirrors. They're actually really tiny. I got Mingi's and San. Fuck. The 2 most wanted members. I gotta trade them. And then just the regular. Are these different to the American ones? Because these are the Korean ones. Hold on, I have Mingi's. I have Mingi's and wings. They are different. The Korean one's different. Just by the cover though. This is slightly different. All OT8. Slay. I don't know if I should open them. Anyways, we're here for the pre-order benefits. So if you bought 4 albums, you get one of these. And then you get, I have no idea, but I really tried. I should get OT8 for the photo cards too. I was gonna get more because I thought the hand mirrors were so cute. Is the butterfly clip one eye? Is this the one with the pink hair? Fuck, I don't even remember what I even ordered. What's this even say? I have no idea. It's the butterfly clip one. Pink hair hua. Pink hair hua. Oh my god, with the freaking butterfly clips, I'm dying. This is the back. It's so cute. Wow. Oh, wow, so pretty. And then we have Yuno. The wig. The wig is wigging. Yosa. Ah. So pretty. San. Cutie patootie. Mingy. He looks so cute. Like a fresh baby. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wooyoung got stuck. I was like, wait a second, where's Wooyoung? He's my baby. You can only see 2 clips. And then Jongho. I love how he just clipped it all there. So cute. So cute. Okay, let's look at the hand mirrors. So tiny and cute. I think there's a film on it and then you can take it off. Is there? I can't tell. You can see the camera. And it has a little message they wrote. Everything will be okay. Wait, you can't see it. Hold on. Ah. That's so cute. I literally kind of low-key need that message. It's been a rough month. I literally broke my leg or my foot. I also got sick. Lots of things happening, and then I had to work for so many hours because it's the holidays. Wonder what Mingy says. Today will be a fabulous day. Slay from Mingy. Is it all in English? This is so cute. And they wrote that. I need to trade for wheel. I'm trading my Mingy for wheel. And then I'll have Wusan. I also want to collect solos. I feel like everyone already seen all of these though. Like, should I open them? Does it matter? I'm gonna open up wheels. Should I open up wheels? I don't have a Songhwa one. I haven't seen this one actually. Let me just quickly. Oh my god. The picture's so slay. Oh my goodness gracious. All the cuts in his shirt. He kind of looks like those vampires who waits for you at home, and then you come home and you just see him like that. Slay. Let's see the photo cards. It's just one photo card. Slay. All the slits on his. Anyways, goodbye.